Say Om 3 times. Let us all pray Lord Ganpati through one astuti. Om Gajananam Bhutganadisevitam Kapittajambu Phalacharubhakshanam Umasutam Shokvinashkarakam Namami Vigneshwar Padakam. I will explain you meaning of this. This is very important thing. Gajananam Bhut Ganadi Sevitam. Gajananam means with the face of elephant. I told you already what is the importance of that face. Bhut Ganadi Sevitam. Bhut has many meanings. One meaning of the Bhut is Panch Mahabhut. 5 elements by which our body are complete. Everything in the universe is composed of these 5 elements only. And you all know what these 5 elements are. Bhut Ganadi Sevitam. It means Lord Ganpati is being worshipped by all these 5 elements also. It means these 5 elements are under his control. Right? Gan Adi Sevitam. And Bhut means Prani also. All the living creatures are called Bhut. So all the living creatures have to worship Lord Ganpati because he is head of all. Ganadi Sevitam. Serviced by all. Uma Sutam. Uma Sutam is Divine Mother, Parvati's son. Uma has a particular meaning. It's not said that Parvati, Uma. What is Uma? When you go to Upanishad, there you will find one story that once the deities were with some fight with the demons, they actually became conquerors, they won the battle. So everybody was full of arrogancy. Indra said, I did this. Surya said, I did. And fire said, I did. Varun said, I did. Everybody is always full of ego. I did because of me, because of this. So there appeared one straw. And one yaksh came. One something like bird came there. And he put one straw there. And he asked major deities, including Indra and fire and water and others, hey, what you are all discussing? Then everybody said, see, I am superior, I am superior, I am superior. He said, oh, all of you are very much superior, but I have one simple problem with me. Can you all solve? They said, hey, tell, we are so much superior things. Then he said, I want that somebody move this, right? This straw. And every deity tried his best. Varun Dev tried all his best, but he could not blow it. Varun Dev tried to quench it with water. He could not quench it. He could not make it wet. Air Dev, Pavan Dev, he tried his best. He could not make it fly any centimeter. In the same way, fire also. Every deity tried. But Indra is little bit intelligent as compared to others. That's why he is king of all deities. Little bit more intelligent. He thought all these major deities failed with this such a small thing, right? So better not to try, right? He said, I am not going to try. You tell me who you are, right? Then their Uma comes. Who comes? Uma. The real intelligence appears there. And she is explaining to all deities that this is not because of your power, this is all because of my powers, right? I am all in all about powers. So that name is given Uma at that level, right? Somewhere she is Lakshmi, somewhere Parvati, somewhere Saraswati. Uma is this sense, okay? So Uma Sutam means son of all the energy formats. Uma Sutam Bigna Vinasa Karakam. You are the destroyer of all the bignas, all the obstacles you can destroy. Right? Uma Sutam Bigna Vinas Karakam Namami Vigneshwar Pada Pankajam. Actually it is Uma Sutam Soka Vinas Karakam, means removal of all the shok means suffering, sorrows. Right? In the next line it is Bigna Vinas Karakam means Lord, if you are pleased, all the obstacles will be gone and we all bow to your lotus feet. So pray like that, then we will proceed further. Now I am giving you one example of my life. Once my Guruji gave one Diksha to all disciples who were there, and in that Diksha I said, I am putting all energy in seed form with all of disciples, including 10 Mahavidyas, 64 Shakti Peeth, Kritya, Bhairav, Guru, Param Guru, Siddhasam. All these things I am installing in form of seed inside you. So try to understand the value, and he gave 3 hours talk on this process. It was his birthday time, and he said, today is my birthday, I am very much pleased. And luckily on that birthday, because Guruji was celebrating birthday from English calendar, but Shankaracharya's birthday is always celebrated by Tithi. On that day both match together. So he said, today is really very great day, Shankaracharya day and my day also. So I am giving this process and Diksha to you all. With that Diksha everybody went away, even I also came. After many years, once Guruji told me that you go and arrange one yagna for me, 1008 Kundi Yagna. 1008 Kundi Yagna. And this he told me in Guru Purnima. Merchant was there with me at that time. He said, I went to touch his feet on the Guru Purnima. He said, Chaube, I will not allow you to touch my feet. I said, Guruji, today is not your day. Because Guru Purnima is disciples' day, not Guru's day. So how you can block me today by touching your feet? He said, I am not blocking. But I am putting one condition. You go to Bombay, do one program for me, 1008 Kundi Yagna. Immediately I said yes. I didn't expect how much big work it is. I said yes. And it was done. So during completion of that process, I had a group of persons with me. Everybody came to all meetings, they promised everything, we will help this, we will help this, we will help this. Oh, come on, we will do everything. This will be very grand program. And if somebody says to us or in a group, the group leader becomes, yeah, hey, I am getting help. Now this will be done, I am getting help. Then he is really blooming like a balloon, right? And same thing with me also. I thought so a simple work, then we can do so many yagnas like that. But I didn't know that what's going to happen. When the yagna was just left with 5 days, total time allotted to me was 1 month, 30 days only. But before 5 days, everybody ditched me. All went away. And everybody, you know, who lives, he has his own story, their own systems, and I got nervous. What to do now? Because if I am promising some person that I am going to hold this, you have to come, and some persons are giving some money also to me. Okay, take this much as advance for help. And these monies are given as advance to 10 people, to other people, to priests and so many things. Then my prestige will be gone. I became very nervous, and then I went to one place called, that was area in Bombay, Kanjur Marg. There we used to sit with all my Guru Bhais and Guru sisters for our continuous meditation in the night. 12 years I had been doing meditation and chantings at that place. It was a very powerful place actually. I went to Hanumanji there. There was a small idol in the forest hilltop. Normally no people used to come there in the evening. I went there. I remember that Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai Kripa Karo. Gurudev ne. And since childhood, this thought was with me in my mind that Hanumanji can do lot of things. So I went and I said, Hanumanji, now I am in problem. Because my prestige will be gone. And what my face I will show to my Guruji? Because he said, I have full faith in you and you can do. And now I see that I am totally helpless. I can't do anything now. I was sitting there for 3 hours. And even some tears also came. I said, what to do? I cannot tell to anybody this, my situation. The thought came to me that I was initiated with so many powerful dikshas. Here comes the talk of diksha. Why I am telling this story? This is the real story. That I really remembered Guruji said, I am transporting all energies, Mahavidyas, this with you. Then there will nothing impossible for you. And this he was not telling only to me, it was told to all disciples. Right? Then I felt very new energy. Oh, so many things are with me. Why I am so scared now? Let me go and see something. Immediately I went to one person and he met me. He said, what, Chaubeji, what you want? I said, this we have to do. Then he took me. He said, okay, let's go to Samaya College. That college belongs to Neeru's father family. There we went. The principal met us. Everything changed within 3 hours. We got tremendous support from a new group. Old group completely gone, empty. And within 3 days, we constructed all kundas, everything. And the program was so tremendous successful that nobody could imagine. And this program was on 31st December. And my Guruji said, oh, such miracle can happen. Now Chaube, remember you in future. Every year, on these 3 days, at the year end, you have to arrange one yajna program always. So since then, this tradition is going on with me, since 90. Only thing I want to tell you, the importance of Diksha, I felt that this is with me. It worked. I don't say that I did. The only feeling or faith did. If you have faith in Diksha, if you have faith in scriptures, if you have faith in Hanumanji, he will work. And keeping all faith, not trying at all, just sleeping on the bed and weeping, God, I am helpless, God will not do anything. It's my own personal experience. And the same way I have experienced many things. Even with one experience, today I will not take time for that, I will talk about that another day. With Kumbh Mela in Nasik, exactly same thing happened. Merchant was there also. He knows all. You can ask from him all the details. Everywhere, wherever I got into such tough situations, all mantras worked. All deities worked. That's why I can talk with confidence, with experience. I am not talking anything on the basis of only reading of the books. I am talking all things with my own experience and not only with individual experience, collective experiences. I had been going and demonstrating in Bombay, in every part of India with such things. Wherever I went with my group of Guru Bhai, or even with other Gurus also, it doesn't mean I was only with my Guruji. I was with my Guruji, I was with other Gurus also, with Pandyaji's Guruji also, Mahabhutnaji also, many Gurus I had been learning, listening to him. But these mantras, effect, I tested and tested and tested, until now I am testing. And with Baglamukhi, I can't explain you how much experience I have with her. How I passed through all these stages. I have seen the poverty. I know poverty. Nothing to eat, nothing to give to children, nothing to give to education. Always everything mortgage, everything going to be lost. But never weeping, never feeling helpless. Whenever problems came higher and higher to me, more and more sitting with Baglamukhi, Jai Bagla, Jai Bagla, Jai Bagla, Jai Bagla, all problems one by one. Still problems come to me. Not of that type, now of different type. But I am never afraid. I know my Guru, I know God, I know deities, I know Baglamukhi, I know my disciples also. There are disciples who die after me, who really care for me. But there are other persons also. If they can get a chance, they can ditch anywhere, anybody, including me also. So this is the system how the universe works. In all that, if Ganesh is pleased, then even then the problems will be there, but extent will be less. And gradually we will go on finishing. So be with Ganesh, always try to be happy, try to collect that strength. Now how Ganesh works, I want to tell you that. Ganesh was blessed by all deities in the childhood itself. And Ganesh was very strong tapasvi. You know, any deity, including Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, all are always doing tapasya. What do you mean by they are doing tapasya? Do you think they are missing something? They want some money, they want some property? Then what they want? They are also soul. We are also soul. They are soul at different energy level, we are soul at different energy level. Their consciousness level is different, ours is different. Even these plants and everything, even a creature moving on everything, even bacteria also they have consciousness. Do you think that bacteria will not evolve one day? Maybe Ebola bacteria, maybe any bacteria. Maybe TB bacteria, maybe your flu or malaria bacteria. All are living souls. One day they will all evolve gradually. In that process of evolution, from very much bottom to topmost place, wherever it is, infinite you can say, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh and these different souls are there. So what they are continuously doing? They are increasing their level. So what we should do always?
Increase our level.
Then why we are not doing that? And remember, if you are increasing your level, everything good will be pulled to you. That's why it is said in scriptures, even the Bible also says, first you seek kingdom of God, rest of the things will be added unto you. What is being said? Will be added on. Added on means, then you have not to work for that. It will be added on. A yogi sitting at some place, goes at the top of some mountain, lot of people from their hometowns, they are taking all, they keep all there, a big complexity is created there. How the CD appeared? CD Sai Baba, ordinary saint sitting, big city has been started there. Do you think the CD Sai Baba was going to do some business or going to do some cheating and doing all these things? Or always weeping with somebody, hey, because of him I am suffering, because of him I am suffering. My Guruji used to say, those persons who blame others for their failures, they can never be successful. Remember, again I am telling, those persons who blame others for their failures can never be successful. If you want to be successful, stop blaming others. Take this guarantee that it's your own karma that you are facing, not because of somebody else. If you are successful, only because of you. If you are failure, only because of you. Nobody else can make you successful and nobody else can make you failure. Only God and Gurus, they come to just give you guidelines. The way Krishna came, he is giving guideline to Duryodhana also and to Pandavas also. It's not that he is giving all his guideline only to Pandavas. Both go to Krishna to take help. And he is telling, even before war, he goes to the Duryodhana and says, don't go for fight. Right? He is not listening. So don't say that God is not at our side, he is only at that side. God is always with everybody's side, but with his own system. So you cannot blame him. Try to understand divinity, live like a divine person, try to understand power of mantras, because there is nothing higher than mantras are vibrations. Vibration is only energy format which expands, and anything that expands, only that thing can bring you happiness and Lakshmi. Which cannot expand, it cannot bring anything. When this expands with good thoughts, conscious, properly your consciousness being linked with divinity, then Lakshmi comes to you. Otherwise, all negative things come to you. But in any case, it is only thought that pulls you. That's why it is said, this complete universe is creation of God's thought only. What is the essence of creation? only thought of God. So which is more powerful, thought or something else? So how you should keep your thought? 24 hours of your time you are passing on thinking nonsense things only. Why not taking all that time to think of better things? And always remember, during this life itself, whatever of lifespan is left with you, you can accomplish the goal. Don't worry at all. Any time, any moment, journey can be started towards God. But without a guru, nothing can materialize. That's the importance of guru. So that's why Ganesh is also working as a guru. He demonstrates that guru is something very high. And in the beginning itself, whatever he learned from his parents, that mother and father's value, he demonstrated. He understood the teachings. And I was just telling that every child is being given same education in childhood itself, that don't do this, don't do this, don't do this, but people develop and go on doing all nonsense things. And then they blame others. Hey, my parent didn't care for me. And never weep that you are not being supported by somebody. Learn of all the successful persons. Try to read different books of different persons successful in different fields. I will say even read Hitler also. Of course, not a very positive personality, but try to read. Read autobiographies of very, very, very successful person in any field. Read Bill Gates, read Bush, read Obama, read Cassius Clay, read everybody. Read Shankaracharya, Vivekananda, Devanand, all. Successful, it doesn't mean that they were supported by somebody. All big personalities in the universe, they were not getting any support from anybody. How was about Shankaracharya? How much successful? How about Ramanujacharya? How about all saints? How about Vivekananda, Ramkrishna? Do you think Ramkrishna was supported by a big family? How they developed? The burning desire inside you, linked with the God. If it is there with you, nobody can stop you from being on the top of the world. So if your aim is to reach on the top, think in that way. And if your aim is not to reach on the top, then sit with ordinary persons, behave like ordinary persons, and go wherever you want to go. Still, I am your guru. As a guru, it's my duty to make you to reach on the top. And the day when you really reach on the top, I will be the happiest person. And if I can make anyone to reach to that goal, my guru will be even more happier than me, and his guru will be more happier than him. One day my Dada Guru appeared, my grand guru. He said, you know, if you are doing something, your guru is happy. But I am more happier. I said, how? He said, then I feel that I've really given something to your guru, and he transplanted that with you, and now you are doing. And you know what you are doing? You are not doing anything else. You are doing only those things which we want to be done through you. If something of my thought is coming through you all people properly, don't you think that I will be very happy? That they are all doing very good? And once they are happy, then what about Lakshmi? Lakshmi is not very strong thing. Very weak thing. One day Lakshmi was communicating with me. She said, try to understand, my son. You are Guru. Understand my system. I am always with Vishnu because there is Guru Tattva with Vishnu. I am with Shiva. He never wants Lakshmi. But I am always around him. I always take care of everything, whatever. He may feel even without feeling him, without thinking him. I take care of Shiva. Wherever the Guru element is there, I am always there. So what is the Guru element inside you? Not Guru a physical body. The element of a Guru. The way there is motherhood, fatherhood, there is Guruhood. Understood? If Guruhood or Guru element is alive with somebody, then Lakshmi has to go to that person. But how that person will behave in his life then? Then he has to behave exactly in the way the Gurus think. That's why I tell you, Devam Bhutva Devam Yajit. Think like a deity, be like a deity, pray like a deity. One day you will become deity, and then Lakshmi will be always with you. And then Ganesh will be always removing all your obstacles of life continuously, because he himself is a Guru. So these were few talks about Ganeshji. Rest we will talk again. All my blessing to Everybody be happy. Because 8:35 is time.